Hey guys, welcome to another episode on how to use ARI, auto repair software. My name is Cameron, and here's what I have in store for you today. In this video, you will learn how to book an appointment on ARI's online booking page. There are 3 easy ways. Let's open the shop's ARI online booking page. On this page, you can see all 3 options. The first is the step-by-step booking process. Next, there's the AI assistant, which you can use through the chatbot or by calling directly. Further down the page, you'll also find the business hours and other contact information. For now, let's focus on the first option. Click the Start Booking button. The first thing you need to do is select the service you'd like to book. Next, choose an available date and time. Then enter your vehicle details and contact information before submitting your request. When your request is submitted, the shop owner gets a notification. They'll review and confirm your booking, and you'll be notified once it's confirmed. Now let's move on to the second option, using the AI assistant. Click on the Chat Now button, then select the service you'd like and confirm your selection. The AI assistant will guide you through the booking process and collect all the information needed to schedule your appointment. Once you've completed the process, the AI assistant will submit your appointment request. You'll be notified as soon as the shop owner confirms your appointment. Now let's move on to the third option and see how it works. Simply tap the call button and wait for the AI assistant to join the call. The AI assistant will guide you through the booking process and help you schedule your appointment.
Hello, welcome to UMOB Ltd. I'm Ari, and I'm here to help you book your appointment. What service do you need?
I'd like to check my tire pressure.
Got it, tire pressure. What day works best for you?
19 would be fine.
Perfect, June 19th. What time works best for you?
2 p.m.
Got it. What's the make of your vehicle?
Jeep Grand Cherokee.
Thank you. Can you also confirm the vehicle type?
It's an off-road vehicle.
Thanks. What's your full name and what's your phone number?
Michael Carter, and phone number is 458-219-6734.
Got it. Let me confirm your appointment. Service is check the tire pressure, set for June 19th at 2 p.m. We have your Jeep, and your name is Michael Carter with the phone number ending in 6734. Should I book this appointment?
That's okay.
All set.
And that's it. Fast and simple. Thanks for watching. And remember, you can access all ARI features by going pro. You can do this in ARI settings. See you on the next one.